back na hindi daw maganda. When you are a virtual assistant and you work from home, it makes you dumb every day. O, di ba? So, um, anong tawag dito? So, let's talk about ano ba yung benefits. Para hindi naman kayo maisipin nyo, hala, pag naging work from home pala ako or naging virtual assistant ako, mabobobo pala ako. No, 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 no. Hindi naman sa ganon. But let's talk about the benefits. Ano ba yung benefits if you start working from home as an executive virtual assistant or a virtual assistant and a freelancer? Siyempre, yung flexibility ng time nandiyan yan. Gusto talaga natin maging work from home kasi convenient, wala tayong traffic, less gastos, we have more time with family. And then, ang maganda din dito, if you are an executive VA, yung variety of tasks. Hindi ka puro repetitive task lang kasi you do a lot of things for your client, which you will find out later on once we talk about the skills. So, you